In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Figma file quickly and easily so you can download a local copy to your computer in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want to keep a backup, share the file offline, or make sure you have a copy stored in your downloads folder. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Figma file in the browser or desktop app. Once your design is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Figma logo. This opens the main menu where you'll find all the important file options. After the menu appears, hover over or click File. This will open the File Options submenu where Figma keeps export and saving actions. From there, select Save Local Copy. This tells Figma to create a downloadable version of your current file and save it directly to your device. Once you click it, Figma will prepare the file and download it automatically. In most cases, the file will be saved to your downloads folder, so if you don't see it right away, check your downloads location on your computer, and that's it. You've now saved a Figma file locally. It's a fast and easy way to keep a copy of your work whenever you need one. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.